let's get to business. This is a spray foam that we're using. It's called Great Stuff because it's supposed to be great stuff. It's big gap filler, so it's up to 3 inches. And we are filling it all these cracks in the van. Hi.
Hi.
There we go. And now all we do is spray. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 cans for all this spray foam. It's coming out of there, coming out of there, coming out of there. This is how the foam looks now. Super pushed out and just...
Jeez, this one actually expanded a lot.
Wow, that's a lot. And that was day whatever of our van. That's all we did. Just put spray foam. It was kind of fun. Probably the most fun I've had in a while. So we just finished up the panels, as you can see.
The templates for the panels.
Yeah, they're not completely finished, they're just templates. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pieces that are just kind of bolted together, and then after we're gonna make one full piece out of this whole thing that's happening right here. We're gonna make boxes to go around the windows right there, and a little box right there, since this is a little higher. This whole area here, we're hoping that it's the same template as this side, so that way we can just copy this one into that one. We were kind of stressing out, well, still kind of stressing out, but it's gonna get better. I keep saying that every day, but it's gonna get better.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we
so after this, there's gonna be the drawer. And on the bed, I have it a little bit off the top, right? So
we're trying to get the design right for this cabinet here. This is the cabinet where the sink is gonna go, so the AC vent is gonna go in that little square.
well, the return.
The return.
Where the air sucks in.
So it's gonna be mostly mesh, I believe, and then we wanted it to be even on both sides, so we got that one there. And yep. We're just trying to figure out the design because I kind of want everything to look nice. So, yay! In the midst of our working, our mic came, so now you can finally hear us. We don't have to yell. And we got the Rode, what's it called?
The
Rode Pro Plus. Pretty cool.
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We're getting tired. I think we're gonna go clean up. After all this. So as you can see, we ended up not doing the floors and the walls, but we did do the cabinets and the benches. And that's it. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up and get this ball rolling. I feel like you guys can hear me now since we got a mic. You can hear my soft voice that apparently I have. Those are our benches. Some of the stuff is in the way. And those are the cabinets. This van is coming together nicely and I'm here for it. Let's see how it looks through the side entrance. So there's our cabinet. As you walk in, this will be our little kitchen area. Stove, fridge, benches that'll turn into a bed, and then there's going to be cabinets all the way here. Yep. Definitely going to finish these cabinets tomorrow, and hopefully we can get started on the roof because it is a mess. Like, a scary mess that we are just trying to avoid, but it's gonna come sooner or later. So if you take a look, the roof is not done, and that is because we just don't want to deal with it. We don't want to do it, and it seems like a pain because you see all these concave curvatures, whatever it's called. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a pain, but it'll be worth it, and I'm excited. Oh, I don't think I ever showed. Here is the front of the van. It used to have just three little boxes of like to put storage in, and we took it out and it goes all the way back there. So like, why wouldn't we use all that space, you know? So that, all of that will be storage up there. And then I think the cabinets we're only gonna do from like here and down, and then the same here.
Our lights are
and down.
Our lights are stuck because of the foam.
They're stuck?
On that side.
Oh no. Oh, the spray foam. Oh my goodness. Okay. I may have gotten too excited with the spray foam. It was just so fun to do. We still have to do the, if you're facing the front, so the right side of the van, the spray foam. Let's see how Eric's doing. Let's see. Oh my. At least that's good insulation. We're not gonna be cold.
Oh, I just broke the clips.
Oh no. Do you need those clips?
Yeah. This is the one that had water in it.
Oh my goodness. What?
We took these off because the blinker fluid was running low.
Oh yes. We needed to replace it. Wait, there's actually a little spot for the fluid?
No.
No, I'm just kidding. This is all gonna keep us warm. Pretty sure this is what they make packing peanuts out of. Pretty fun to play with. And I should probably clean that up. New tail lights that look pretty much the same.
But they work.
Yeah.
And they're not cracked. They don't hold the water. Oh. Oh.
The clip moved in. That's why I wasn't screwing properly. So now it should. This was the old taillight, cracked and dirty and just ugly, straight out. And this is the nice new one. All bright and shiny. Ready to go on adventures. Thank you guys for watching. If you've made it this far, you're a real one, and I love you. Alright. We haven't figured out an outro yet, so we haven't even figured out an intro. So for now, we are beyond the booking. Good night. Peace, love, happiness, whatever. Okay, bye.